Huh, I guess that worked. I made a web series. It currently has 2 episodes and I recommend watching it. I also got a Discord server. Please do join it and yeah. And yes, right now I'm gonna go back to normal content right now. But yeah, I'm also doing another Q&A, so please, if you do watch this video, insert a question and yeah, enjoy the video. If you want this video, you probably want to know how to animate just like me, or maybe improve your style a little bit. Okay, starting off with ideas. You want to come up with an idea for your character, an intro, and cards, and most importantly, finding your art style. So, intros are optional, but just don't make it too long, just make it short and quick. Also, as for outros, you just say anything you want, just talk about plans for your channel and other stuff. So yeah, I also got different animation techniques if you want to do it really quick, yeah, let me show you them. Alright, so I call this technique the two-face technique. It's basically where you do one drawing, just like I'm doing right now, draw a face on it, and then on the next one, you do another face on you do this bouncy thing. It's this what I'm doing right now. And yeah, it's quick and simple. So yeah, if you don't want to take too long on making a clip for your animation, you can always do this. Okay, and now I'm going to show you what the result of it looks like. And this is what it looks like when you put it into your editing software. You can also extend it a bit. And for art styles, I got a couple of choices that you could use for your animations. If you're gonna start a channel, I recommend using these art styles if you're gonna do animation with it. You can use them for reference and stuff.